Greetings YouTube, it's 11 in the morning, so let's see how much power it made last night. Yeah, I've got it centered as well as I can. What I've done is I bolted this bit of metal to here. Sorry, getting carried away. And then basically what that's doing is that's perfectly straight, and that's going to be as good as we're going to get it. So now the plan is to get the bolts in and then see how we're going to weld the whole thing together. Sorry. The plan is to get the bolts in and then see how we're going to weld it all together. Sweet! Greetings again, back on the beast. And I'm planning to use these bits of scrap metal I've got. I've cleaned one up here, and you notice I've put a little dip in here because I found that if I do that, it basically fits perfectly. Then I'm just going to draw up a couple of lines here, probably down to try and make it match the triangle, and then all that needs to happen is they'll be welded to the thingy-bob. Sweet! Just again, there's how it looked, or one of them looked, and that's how it's going to look. But yeah, I'm going to get a Sharpie pen, I'm going to get a bolt and get that in there tight, and then mark the lines where I want to cover the grinder. I'm waffling, sorry. This is a quick look how I've got it set up before I weld it on. Those bits will be trimmed up after. Sweet! That's it after the welds, warts and all. So yeah, a bit more weld on there and then we'll be done. Sweet! Great news, it slides on and off. Although it's very tight, but that's fine. Yeah, it's very tight, but it'll go on there. And you'll notice the collar tightening device, there's a space for that. So I'm just going to get a bit more weld on here and then we'll see how it looks. Sweet! Phew, oh dang it, look at the state of that. That is never coming off in a month of Sundays. Let's get the grinder out. Sweet! They're never coming off. Sweet!